Alright now, sports fans, welcome back. In this episode, we'll be opening up two more mega boxes, 2021 Prizm draft picks. One from Walmart, one from Target. The one from Walmart has orange ice Prizm, and the one from Target has red ice Prizm. Both got 60 cards in each. It says on the back, well, different variations of the base and the cracked ice. They got sensational signatures, college penmanship, draft pick signatures. That's about it though in there. You ain't looking for much. A lot of rookies in there. Opened up this product a couple days ago, and I pulled that slam dunk champ right there. Evan Mobley, my favorite to look for is Jalen Green right now. I think he's an amazing basketball player. Okay, number one pick, decent, good player. Other than that, let's get into box number one. Let's see what we got. Starting off with the rookie, Luka Garza, Franz, decent rookie, good player right now. Catman, and an orange cracked Prizm ice, or just Prizm, I guess. Orange Prizm, David Johnson. Like I said, you get tons of rookies in this product. Kai Jones, Ben Simmons, JT Thorpe. I got the red, now I got the orange. Let's go, JJ. Man, he put on a show. I'd like to see it again. All right, Davion. Devin Booker. Ray Brown. Rookie. Donovan Mitchell. Spider. Dayron. Clay. Shooter. Base. Slam dunk champ. The beard with no beard. Moses Moody. Put a lot of JJ Redick in this product, huh? James Booknight. Matthew Hurt. And the three-point man himself. Ray Allen. Halfway through the first mega. Guess a good card's coming up because we ain't got nothing yet. Here we go. Oh, orange. Andre Drummond. Jalen Suggs. Austin Rivers. And Keon Johnson. Two rookies on the end. I guess that's the first pack that had that. Halfway through the first one. Trey Murphy, base rookie. Ajay Rondo. Kevin Love. Corey Kispert. And Mr. Buckets. Jimmy Butler. All right. getting some playing time. He still gets some playing time. I don't know about his team, though. All right, Usman on the no logo variation. Michael Porter Jr. Mizzou. Steph. Dayron and Clay. All right. So far, as you can see, only one banger out of this product so far. And it was a slam dunk champ himself. All right. One of our better rookies. Evan Mobley. The real deal. Shaq. Catman. And AU. Because we have nothing else to put up there, we're going to put him up there. All right, 3 packs left. I don't get nothing. 0. Chris Paul base. Safari Cooper. Damian Dollar Man. Andre Drummond. And Joshua Primo. It seems like Joshua Primo, they overprinted this dude. Why didn't they print more of the people that are good players? Those are the questions, ain't it? Base. There's Cade. And there's Book Knight. All right. We're down to our last pack. Let's check it out. Starting off with the Rook. Brown. Jalen Johnson. Paul George and Klay Thompson in the silver. I think they call that true silver, but I'd rather have a rookie. Klay's a good shooter. All right, let's clean this up. Pop open box number 2. Like I said, box number 2, same variation, is just the red, everything. Mostly looking for the autographs if you can catch them. Man, I ain't never seen a box so lackluster of anything, though. Heartbreaking, I tell you that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Help this channel grow. Pack number 1. There's our man from KU. MVP talk about, man. That's a good card right there. Josh Giddey. On the no college variation. Look at his shirt, too. They take off that, too? It's crazy. I never noticed that about it. Of his shirt logo, too. And that's a nice card. All right. We got Malcolm. And Miles. And the Truth. I like that Josh Giddey. Already. He's a decent player to me. Oklahoma. Logo. See how he's missing that logo right there? All right, let's get it in. Jared Jackson. Anthony Hardaway or Penny. Quentin Grimes. you will. Jonathan Kaminga. All right, we'll take that one too. Cracked ice variation of no college logo. All right, those are two good cards for this product. Maybe they might be SP. Oh, this whole box full with them or what? There's the Jalen Green base version of it. Let's leave that up. Kyrie, Ayo, Zion, Big Z Man, and Trey Man. You know I like Zion. Wish he'd stay healthy. Wish he'd stay healthy, that's all. Jalen Green, Trey Man. And 3 variations of that. Got in here. Got in here. Something different. We got in here. Hey, there's something in here. Let's get it going. Come on. Something big. The logo man himself, or Mr. Jerry West. Anthony Davis. Beast when he's healthy. There's the red Trey Young. Say that's a color match. Whoa. Slow down. It's backwards too, and it's a slam dunk champion. Come on now. This autograph is guaranteed by Panini. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. There it is. The slam dunk champion himself. Finally, I pulled a banger. Right on this camera. Let's go. Slam dunk champ, Matt McCullen. Right here. Right out of this 2021 draft picks. Sensational signatures. Man, what a hit. What a hit. Let's go. Man, that's heat. Man, that's heat. Come on. That's heat right there. Oh, man. Woo! Slam dunk champion signatures. Big time. Big time. Everything is up from there. Let's go. Isaiah Jackson. Draymond. Get that camera. Jared Butler. I pulled his autograph also. I think he's down in the D League though. Or G League, however you want to say it. I always say it's a downgrade league, but I think it's considered the G League. Oh, and I got the Josh Giddey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Walmart. What is it? The Target box has been way better than the Walmart box. Oh, man, what about that auto, man? I'm still stoked. Still stoked. All right. Black and white, sis man himself. John Stockton. Charles Daly, rookie. Jalen Suggs. Mr. KU, Joel Embiid. Malcolm. All right. He's a great basketball player, too. Let's go. Stay focused on basketball, Ja. Base. Josh Christopher, rookie. Jaylen Brown, base. Scotty Barnes. And Magic Johnson. He can go in there. Scotty. Let's go. There's a hot box. This was a hot box. Man. I'm glad I decided to open this box tonight. Got a Grant Hill, Aaron Henry rookie, Scotty Barnes base rookie, Grant Hill. You got a championship with Duke, and Aaron Henry. Well, you see much of this guy in cards. Isaiah Thomas, great player. Slam dunk champ right there. Ooh, that's a nice looking card. Purples. That's a nice looking card right there. There's Ja. There's Ja. Does anything next? Man, Scotty Barnes. All right, we got Julius Randle, Miles McBride rookie, The Truth, Jaylen Brown, and Isaiah Thomas. Nothing in that pack. All right, wheelbase. Nice Jonathan Kuminga, rookie, no logo variation. Zion. Dominique Wilkins. Hey, that's a nice card. You know, I just said I like him. Seems like I'll be talking up some of these cards sometimes. Mr. 40 point, 4 nights in a row, man. Cam Thomas. I think we could shoot you down. Put up that Cam. A great card. That's all I'll go with. A great card. That boy's heat. That boy's heat. He already said he'd be back next year on that next slam dunk contest. And here we go with his rookie. So, Trey Young. Kobe White. Look at all that hair. Julius Randle. And Jaden Springer. Nice looking card right there. That is a nice looking card. Boy. That's some heat. Man, that's a nice looking card. All right. I was going to show you the difference in these signatures real quick because I pulled one the other day. As you can see, one of them's a sensational and one of them's a draft picks. The guy on the right here, he's playing like in a Korean international league right now. I looked him up. This guy right here is on fire, though. Let's go. So happy to have his auto. I'll get you a few highlights. You already know what it's about. So I'm going to go with these highlights right here. Scotty Barnes in the red Prizm. Josh Giddey in the no logo variation Prizm. Jonathan Kuminga. Cam Thomas. And there's the slam dunk champ. There's the orange and there's the red and the red signature. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Help the channel grow. Be good to one another. See ya.